And tomorrow I'm going to clean up the lower, right? I'm going to show you the veins and arteries on the lower together. So we start from the ascending aorta. Ascending aorta then branches into this big artery called brachiocephalic. There's actually a brachiocephalic vein also right there. Kind of cut it up. So there's brachiocephalic, and then this one is called left subclavian. Right? So the left subclavian is separate. Branches off of the aorta. Now we're going to follow the brachiocephalic. Divides into three parts. Left common carotid, right common carotid, right subclavian. See that? 1, 2, 3. Left common carotid, right common carotid, right subclavian. So I'm going to follow the common carotid, left one. The same blood vessel has three names depending on the region. If it's here, we call it common carotid. Once it reaches near the larynx, we call it external carotid. Once it reaches here, we call it external maxillary. Same blood vessel. So see where I've pinned it. Wherever I've pinned it, that's what you name it. Common carotid, external maxillary. Now, I'm going to lift this up. You can see that there's a blood vessel here that branches off of it, called muscularis, that goes also to the thyroid. This is thyroid, is connected to it, called superior thyroid. Then here, there's another one that goes to the larynx, called laryngeal, because it goes to the larynx. All right, now I'm going to follow the left subclavian here, okay? It's the same thing, right and left subclavian. Left subclavian is a little bit easier because it's longer. All right, I snapped it. This one comes out. This is a tiny blood vessel called internal mammary. Then, the same blood vessel, when it gets to the armpit, we call it axillary artery. When it reaches the shoulder, we call it brachial artery. And you see the vein too. When it reaches the elbow, it divides. This one becomes ulnar artery and vein. Over here becomes, radial artery and vein. Here becomes ulnar artery and vein. So basically, at the elbow, they branch out like that. That's it.